We are on our way for an evening in Hollywood Studios. And that's what I call perfect timing.
The main entrance of Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member.
Food smells good, doesn't it? Yay, we're in. It smells really good here today.
They've got like
Oh, a cherry slushy sounds nice.
So go and get one. Do you want to share?
No, because we're going to go and get on a ride. It looks really busy down there, considering numbers are really low on rides. Oh, do you like his backpack, Lou? Yeah, we'd jump on Star Tours and then go for our fast pass. What's that?
How short the queue was.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I would like to try Prime Time Cafe sometime. Their milkshakes are supposed to be really good. You can just walk in and get them. You don't have to have an ADR, yeah. Yeah, oh wow, that made me jump. Queue to meet Olaf is 10 minutes. Do you want to? And Star Tours has gone up to 15. Are we doing it?
Yeah. Why do you mean gone up? It's 15 or something.
No, I thought it was 10 before.
Oh no, I said it.
And then we're going to do our fast pass. Yeah?
Yeah.
Our Toy Story fast pass.
This is alright.
Yeah, that's true. I know, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Aid, come on, you're holding up the queue.
That was.
Hi there. Oh, you can feel the aircon already. It feels really nice. I know, it is really cool, isn't it? It's a good sign when all this is empty.
Star Tours is
Isn't it?
pleased to announce its inaugural flights to the great city planet Coruscant. Sign up.
Queues.
Sure that nothing escapes my notice.
This almost looks like a walk on, Holly.
Constant alert for the flight last line detail.
It is an actual walk on. That's not bad. Holly, what are you? Holly was the rebel spy. That's all ready for Star Wars down here, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Which way are we going, Louis? Oh, it says actually Toy Story Land is this way. Around here. Yeah, I'm excited. Is this the entrance? Oh, it is. Our first glimpse into Toy Story Land. Can you hear Woody? I quite like the little headpiece with Slinky Dog on.
Funny.
It's really sweet, isn't it? To see what Slinky Dog's like. I think at night time it'll be amazing. I'm so glad we've got fast passes for the nighttime ride. Yeah, it does look sweet. Are we going round here, I take it? It's busy. This is where everyone is. Yeah, so this is the new entrance to Midway. Oh, it was Midway Mania. It's now called Toy Story Mania. Yeah, we can go on now. You wouldn't scan it if it was the normal one.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You don't need to.
July, Saturday afternoon. This was only a 30-minute wait. We've got fast passes, so we're just going straight on, I think, more or less. What was it, Lou?
I don't know where the rest of them
Queues are on the Alien one. I would quite like to ride that if we can. This is going to look so pretty at night.
Yeah. Oh, that's the chargeable line.
Star Wars is going to be amazing.
Yeah. Like Pandora level amazing. Like
Yeah, yeah,
That's
totally.
cool, but you're not like, oh my
Yeah.
God, where do I go?
This is fun.
Yeah.
I know what you mean, like Pandora, you just don't know where it's look cool. Yes.
Where is that meant to be?
I don't know yet, sweetheart.
Well,
So glad you noticed that standby time switch from 20 to, or 35 to 50, wasn't it? I'd have been gutted waiting 50 minutes.
We have arrived at our training location. So, great Army men, count off. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're number 7. Wait a minute. All right, let's try this again. All right, Green Army Patrol, count off. And 1, 2, 3. Still me.
Louis, if you don't want to, you don't have to.
Pardon?
If you don't want to, you don't have to. This is Louis' worst ride. He's going to give it another go this year. Guess what Holly's doing? The kids have just gone for ice creams. We've had a really nice time so far. I'm surprised it's much quieter than we expected. We got straight on to Star Tours. There was no queue at all, literally walked straight on. Even Toy Story Land wasn't as busy as I expected. Was it like half an hour for Toy Story Mania? 70 for...
No, it's Walton, didn't we?
No, we had fast passes.
Well, that's what I mean, sorry.
Yeah, 70 for Slinky Dog. That looks really cool. We've got fast passes for that later in the trip. Really, really fun round there. The land itself is smaller than I expected.
Yes, yeah.
But that's cool. We've just been on Tower of Terror. Louis hates that ride, and he did actually go on it today, and he was alright, wasn't he?
Yeah, it was actually, yeah.
There were some kids in the queue though that was screaming, crying, really didn't want to go out. I don't quite understand why people do that to their kids. It's 15-minute queue time. Kids are grabbing an ice cream, and we've got fast passes for Rock and Roll very soon. We can't decide whether to stay for fireworks or not. It's very sticky, isn't it?
It's 7:30. It probably must be about 90 degrees, I think.
It's really...
It feels a lot warmer than that though.
Yeah, it's very, very sticky.
Yeah, fast pass, we go on it at 5 to 8. That's still 2 hours till the fireworks, so who knows? We'll have to think about it.
IHOP maybe calling.
Yeah.
Vocês estão atravessando a fila. Vamos passar, depois a gente continua falando.
Love that ride, that was so much fun. Okay, should we wander through the gift shops, get some aircon? Yeah. Do you like that idea? What have you seen? Oh, do they actually go inside the hat?
Well, no, they come with the hat.
That's what I mean. Well, obviously, because you wouldn't be able to wear it otherwise, would you? Which tree ornament do we go for? This one? Kids like that one. And we like that one. It's really cute. I like these snacks.
In summer 2018 t-shirt.
Oh, I love it when I like it when it's this now. So it's starting to get dark. The lights are all on, but it's not too dark. Sorry? We were going to go to Star Wars Launch Bay.
Okay.
Yeah?
You don't have to.
No, somebody needs a mouse droid.
And then I can play with it tonight.
Are you going to give it a name?
Holly, you won't have time.
It's a mouse droid. Why won't I?
No, look at the pretty
I'll
lights.
take a photo of it.
It looks so pretty. I think this is my favourite time of day in a park. Would you agree?
Thank you.
If she's not Pokemoning, she's press pennying. Holly's after quarters for the press penny machine.
No, I've got a favourite quarter on you.
My favourite stepdad.
No, seriously, there's a quarter that I haven't got. It's got an emblem of the United Kingdom with a theme on the back.
Is that your only one?
Yeah.
Is that a joke?
No, it isn't a joke. No, it isn't a joke. I said to get changed. You poo-pooed that idea completely. There, in all, if there's any other one...
Oh, you need to shut that lady up.
I
Holly, what's your plan B?
I need to buy something.
Look at her with her pressed penny machine. All the girl needs to make her happy is Pokemon and pressed pennies.
Facebook Messenger.
Ishika. It was a good one, was it? You're going to show?
We both helped create.
I can't see.
Randall.
No, I can't see.
Oh no.
Gonna wander into Star Wars launch bay. All taking their pickies. Lou, would you like to give us a tour?
Tour?
Yeah. Seeing as you know so much about it all. Yeah, Star Tours. Go on, Lou, give us a tour.
It's a control speaker. It's the rocky design.
Lou, are you just reading?
That is what First Order troops ride on.
Look, space jewelry.
Space jewellery.
Some Kira's jewellery.
Who's Kira?
Not even I have no idea. I haven't seen Solo.
Oh. If you watched my videos from last year, Holly couldn't decide whether or not to buy a mouse droid. She's done nothing but think about it, and today is the day. She is on a mission to finally get that mouse droid. Go find it, Holly, go find it. Where's the mouse droid, Holly?
You can build one of these guys here too. We already built one.
This looks like a good one.
How can you tell? It's covered in fingerprints.
All over it.
Yeah.
Shows people have been interested in it.
And the box is damaged.
Oh, don't get that one.
Louis, I need you.
Holly, step up on the wheel.
Huh?
Step up on the wheel.
Louis, come back. Louis.
Bro.
I'm vertically challenged.
Holly doesn't want that one. The box is damaged. She says it's in semi-mint condition. Oh, sorry. Is that one better, Holly?
Did you say? No.
Are you serious?
On a mission for the perfect mouse droid.
Oh, he's got a mascot. Yes.
Thank you.
Are you happy? She's got her mouse droid. Is it going to beep? No.
Because I actually paid for what I bought.
I can't believe you accused someone of stealing. Holly, you happy?
Right, let's go.
Are we ready? Oh, it's such a nice temperature out here tonight. We're going to go to IHOP. He's not dead. Where is he? Is he behind us? Is that him back there?
Oh, I don't know.
We're always losing him. Is that?
That's not him.
No, that's not him. No. Where's he gone then? Oh, it looks so pretty.
We weren't even gone though, yeah?
We only stopped to look at the menu and we've lost him.
You
Right.
might get away that family photo.
I'm nowhere near their photo. Should we just stand here?
Do we call him?
Aid? Where's he gone?
Going to the Star Wars shop on the way home.
Why are we going in the Star Wars?
We didn't look at before. We did.
What?
That's fine.
Which shop?
It was the Star Wars one.
Oh, did you want to? I'm ready to go now.
We've been in the Star Wars.
So we've literally just been in one. They're all the same
Yeah.
shop.
Do we need any?
No, not now. Looks so cute in that. You wouldn't want her. No, she wouldn't. Should we go in? I'm excited.
Yeah.
Looks a good store. No, thank you. We might get something for the kitchen here. Every time we come to Disney, we always buy something for the kitchen. Some kind of kitchen utensil. No, not a sink. No, I know that. We're going to get these frames for the mums. They're magnets to put on their fridges. I do like that. We've got so many different takeouts though. Aid, I like the takeouts, but we've got so many like that now. They're really nice. I know, we just, only so many we can store in the cupboard. And we don't really go anywhere, so we don't need to take out. Yeah. Do love a picture frame. The other thing actually is to look at the outlets before we decide.
Yeah, exactly.
Might actually find one in there. Yeah, let's do that first. Got the salt and peppers already. What else? I thought of something else that we could do with. I thought of something just now that we could do with, and I forgot. No, won't go with the kitchen. I thought of something just a minute ago that we could do with in the kitchen, and I've completely forgotten. Spatulas as well, actually. How much are they?
Don't know, let's have a look. $14.99.
I like that. Should we get those ones for our collection this year? And one of these for the sink. This is our kitchen buy this year, and magnets for the parents. We've just snuck off without the kids and managed to get a fast pass on, photo pass on our own. Where are the kids now? So if it's 9 o'clock, that's Epcot fireworks I can hear. We're done with Hollywood Studios today.
Yeah, I love
That was good timing.
I'm joking at all.
See the Epcot fireworks over there. Aww. Nice way. Yeah, coming off here. I wouldn't mind going into that new Walmart actually to have a nose, because I'd like to go into Walmart anyway to get my Pioneer Woman stuff, and chances are, yeah, that is going to be it because it's going to be newer.
That's closer.
Sorry?
That's closer.
Yeah. Well, the other one's not too. Yeah, the other one's quite close actually, Holly, on the 27.
More the fact this is coming down the 192, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just busy. But if we're around here anyway. I'm looking forward. This is our first IHOP of the trip actually, I just realised that.
It's almost here, isn't it?
Yeah, in a minute, on the right hand side. First IHOP trip. I quite like our late night IHOP trips, don't you? It's nice and quiet in the evening. Going with steak tips.
How much is inside of
Where's you guys going with pancakes?
would it be Mum, would you
Yeah.
is asking for a side of bacon too?
Well, what are you having? With pancakes?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. I'm really excited about late night pancakes or late night
Oh, so
IHOP.
good.
Is that your sweet tea?
It's wonderful, thank you.
Louis, that is so much bacon on there.
Oh, the A1's really running.
Did it come out really fast?
Al's really running.
You're so stupid. IHOP, that was an amazing meal. I do love steak tips. See how busy this road is.
Dankeschön.
You're very welcome, Louis. Holly and I are going off on our own this morning. The boys are going to watch the final of the World Cup. Holly and I are going to try and take the shuttle from here. We've booked it, and that should drop us off at the Ticket and Transport Centre near Magic Kingdom, and then we're going to get a bus over to Animal Kingdom whilst the boys watch football. Hey Jar Jar Binks, you're so cute. You're beautiful. Say for Miles. Oh, you can see Pandora over there.